How to enable volume control on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, locate Always Show Volume Control with a switch on the right side. To turn it on, tap on the Always Show Volume Control switch so the control moves to the on position and the color turns green. This settings shows volume controls on the lock screen for headphones and the built-in speaker. Following these steps, you can easily enable volume control on iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.